So this logic function is being realized using the logisim, and we have three inputs a, b, c, and the function is equal to a bar plus c ANDed with a plus b bar plus c bar. So here you have this a bar and the c are given to OR gate, and then here this a, b bar, c bar are given to another OR gate, and these two are added together so that we are having this function being implemented. Now let's check this function with their corresponding inputs. First we'll take the input as 0 0 0, so the output is 1 here, and for 0 0 1 the output is 1, and for 0 1 0 the output is 1, for 0 1 1 the output is 0, and for 1 here 0 0 the output is 0, and then we check it for 1 0 1, it is 1, and for this 1 1 0 the output is 0, and 1 1 1 the output is 1. Okay.